All right, today we're going to just do a couple example problems, and I want you to work these problems out to the best of your ability. You do not have to write the problems down. Okay, we're going to find a percentage of a total amount without a calculator. We're going to do sales tax. I'm going to do a discount problem and then a commission problem. So 3 problems worked out. So there's an item has a listed price of $75. If the sales tax rate is, I'm going to change it to 7% like Indiana's. If the sales tax rate is 7%, how much is the sales tax in dollars? Okay, so we want to figure out what 7% of $75 is, and we'll do more lessons like this later in the year when we really get into percents. But we want to figure out 7%. If we look at the word percent, and I do want this in your notes, I want you to break it in half. Percent means per cent. Cent means 100. So per 100. So we're figuring out 7 per 100. I could write it as a fraction, but I can also write this as a decimal. To make it a percent to a decimal, we're going to divide by 100. So 7% is 0.07. Of means multiply. Anytime you see of, 7% times 75. So I'm going to do 75 times 700ths. So remember, when we multiply with decimals, we ignore the decimal. We do not line them up. And then when we get to the end, we move the decimal over however many spots there are in both factors. So no decimals in this first one, 1, 2 in the second one. So I need to move it over 1, 2 spots. So my final answer is $5.25. Then I got asked, does that make sense? If something costs $75, does it make sense that I'm paying the government $5 of that? Yeah, if it was $100, it'd be $7 tax. All right, an item is regularly priced at $75. If it's on sale for 20% off the regular price, how much in dollars is discounted from the regular price? So it doesn't want to know what the sale price is. It wants to know how much is discounted. So again, we're going to do 20% of $75, and I would like you to write that in your notes. Make sure you put the $ before the 75. Don't mess that up. Okay, so 20% is 20 per 100. I could make this into a fraction problem, but I'm going to make it into a decimal problem. I'm moving the decimal over 2 spots, so 0.20 of means multiply 75. So I'm going to do 75 times 0.2. I can drop that last 0. So it's 150. And then I'm going to move the decimal over 1 spot total in both products. So I'm moving it over 1, so my answer is $15. I don't have to put 0.00. When we write money, we usually don't write it as tenths, we write it as hundredths, but $15. Okay, so does it make sense that you have a $15 coupon or a $15 sale on something that's $75? Yeah. All right, so now we're doing commission. Commission is how much money salespeople make. This saleswoman earns 60% commission. Man, she's making a killing on this, on all the merchandise that she sells. Last month, she sold $600 worth of merchandise. How much commission did she earn last month? So I'm going to figure out what 60% of $600 is. So half of $600 would be $300. My answer should be around $300, a little bit more. So 60% is 60 per 100, or 60 hundredths, times 600. So again, I'm going to do 600 times 0.6. You can use the lattice method if you prefer. So it's not $3,600. We got to move the decimal over 1 spot in my final answer. So my answer is $360. We said it'd be a little more than $300. There you go. That's the assignment today.